Hi everyone, my name is Josh and I'm with US Cutter, and I hope you're having yourself a wonderful day. In today's video, we're going to be showing you the Lopo Gs205b Plus mug press. Lopo mug presses are thoughtfully constructed to make your workflow smooth and effective with consistent results every time. Lopo is well known across the world for offering top quality products at a much lower price point than most competitors. When we look closer at the Lopo Gs205b mug press, we can see this quality in the dual pressure screw knobs located on the side here. This enables you to apply the pressure along the entire length of whatever sublimation blank you have loaded inside. You also get this extra large mug sleeve that's 11 3/4 inches long and 8 inches wide that can easily handle most tumbler sizes. This same sleeve can also help double your mug output. Easily fit 2 11-ounce or 2 15-ounce ceramic mugs inside at once, doubling your mug production capabilities. Also included with the mug press for no additional charge are 2 tumblers for the larger sleeve and an additional mug sleeve that is 5.5 inches tall and 9 inches wide for your smaller jobs. These 2 sleeves alone will allow you to always be able to ensure that you have the proper fit for a wide array of blanks available. And then if you're looking for more sleeves for specialty sizes like tapered mugs, shot glasses, or even larger size tumblers, we have optional heating elements that can be purchased separately. The Lopo Gs205b Plus is solidly built and it comes with a 1-year warranty right out of the box. The larger handle on the mug press makes closing it easier than ever, and it also comes in 3 different colors. Black and green is shown here in this demo video, but it also comes in blue and pink. Alongside that solidly built design, you also get an easy to use digital interface that allows you to adjust the time and temperature with the use of buttons located on the front panel. And that's not the last feature that this mug press has. You can also switch between a single temperature mode or a dual temperature mode. Single temperature mode is when you set the mug press to one temperature and the timer starts as soon as you close the mug press. In dual temperature mode, you will need to set a standby temperature and then a target sublimation temperature. When the mug press is closed, the timer will not start until the sublimation temperature has been reached. We all know that the temperature of any mug press will drop with a fresh blank loaded inside of it. Using the dual temperature mode, you will get your blank up to sublimation temperature faster than a fully on and off state. This method also assures that your substrate will have the proper temperature and time every single time, guaranteeing that you will have a perfect transfer on your substrate. This also helps extend the life of your mug sleeve by not keeping it at a higher sublimation temperature the entire time it's on in use. Let's check out the dual temp in action. Here you can see that the mug press is at the standby temperature, and then once we load the substrate inside the mug press and shut it, you'll see that temperature shoot down. Now if you're using something like a ceramic mug, it's probably going to shoot down by 100 degrees. Metal, not so much because that can transfer heat much faster. Then, once it hits the sublimation target temperature of 380 degrees, the timer will start to count down. With it being this easy to use and all these additional features and mug sleeves, the Lopo Gs205b Plus will help increase your sublimation production capabilities with ease. We've also put together a complete list of compatible blanks to use with the Lopo Gs205b Plus in this video's description, and then it can also be found on the product page at uscutter.com. I mentioned before that the Gs205b Plus comes with a 1-year warranty, but you also get lifetime technical support over the phone or email for no additional charge. So even after the warranty expires, US Cutter will always be there to help you with anything new that may come up. If you have any further questions about these heat presses or any of the products US Cutter offers, you can reach our sales and support team at the phone number and email addresses that are shown on the screen here. Be sure to check out the other Lopo products. They make some amazing heat presses. And from myself and everyone here at US Cutter, thank you for taking the time to watch this and have yourself a wonderful day. Take care.